Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl SHAREEN NICOLE. I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to do a get ready with me. I'll start with my hair. So this is normally what I do. My hair is actually wet. I just came out the shower. I got dressed. I got to go somewhere. So it's going to be a little bit quick. But I just put this. So we got whole blends. This is Honey Treasures. I just use whatever conditioner I can get. So I just squeeze like that much in there. And I just work that in like that. My roots is growing in. I have to recolor my hair. So today I'm just going to do like a high puff. I just use a shoestring. Any shoestring I can find. I'll line it up in the back. Like so. And then I just tie it in the front. Push the back up. Squeeze the top until like wherever you want it. So I kind of want mine right there. Then I just wrap it around in the back, tie it once, and then I tie it a second time. So I put it in a knot, but not like a really tight knot. I don't know if you can see what's going on right there. And then I'll just take this and wrap it around up under here. Normally I have a shorter shoestring, but whatever. I just tuck it under, then I take the other one, wrap it around, and tuck it under, if I can get it. Okay. And then so you don't see it, I pull my hair out around the whole perimeter. And I'll just fluff or pick at it like that with my fingers. I don't really do much. Onto the makeup. My face is dry as... So I just got some Pond's for dry skin. So I'm just going to get right into it. I probably won't do any more talking. I'll just show you what I'm doing. I don't know. I have this thing where I like to rub under my eyes the opposite way. It feels so good. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, to all my curly girls out there, I hope you did enjoy that little hair tutorial, I guess you can call it, of me doing my nice high puff ponytail. For anybody who doesn't know, I mean, by now everyone should know how to do a high puff ponytail, but you never know. There could be someone out there that really doesn't know how to do one, and that is how I like to do mine. So you can always, you know, drop a comment, let your girl know if there's another way to do it. But right now we are getting into the makeup portion, and yes, I know your girl looks crazy, but it's okay because it's all going to come together. Like, trust the process, honey. Trust the process. It's going to come together. So what you saw me using was just some concealer. And I like to conceal my whole face. And then afterwards, I go in with my foundation. And those brushes, those makeup brushes, I actually got those from Amazon. If I can find the link for that, I'll definitely leave it down below. They feel so good. Like, they just feel so good on your skin. It's like this nice, big, huge brush that's so soft to the touch. So yeah, I'm just putting on my foundation, and I don't want to bore you with, you know, what kind of foundation I was using and all that other good stuff, which is why I sped up the video. But hopefully, you know, you guys can follow along and see what I'm doing. So this video is a little bit different. I just wanted to give you a little bit of, you know, hair and spruce it up with some makeup so you guys can see that, you know, things come together. They do. You know, I just wanted to give you a glimpse into my little makeup life. I'm not saying I'm a guru here, but, you know, I try my best. But yeah, y'all, hopefully y'all enjoyed the hair tutorial of the high puff. And yeah, just keep on watching. And thank you to all my curly-nistas, because that's what you are, baby. Yes. My curly-nistas out there with your curly, beautiful hair. I hope that everybody is enjoying my videos. And yeah, just keep watching. I'll chime in when I need to. Also, for my ladies who are interested in the makeup, you can always pause the video to see exactly what it is that I'm using. I did hold it up to the camera pretty well, so I'm pretty sure that if you pause it, you will be able to see exactly what I'm using. But once again, like I said, if I can find the links to what I am using, I will definitely leave it down below. But that eyeliner is, that eyeliner is epic, all right. That is the NYX, the NYX eyeliner, and I absolutely am here for it, okay? But yeah, y'all, I always like to put Aquaphor on my lips. That's what I was showing you. And then I did use a lip like gloss plumper, and I felt like it was good, you know, good to go, because I was in a rush and I had to go somewhere, which was actually work. It really wasn't anywhere important, but I did have a couple of errands to run. But yeah, y'all, keep watching, enjoying the video, and stay tuned for more, because we've got lots more to come, okay? And that's it, y'all. It's time to get into the outfit portion of this Get Ready With Me. So yes, we had a little bit of hair, we had a little bit of makeup, and now I just wanted to show you guys my outfit before I head out. It wouldn't be complete if I didn't show you my outfit along with the hairstyle and the makeup to match, honey. Yes. So this outfit is an oldie but goodie. I actually got this from AliExpress, and I don't believe it's available anymore, but I can look and see if I can find it somewhere else for you. I highly doubt that I'm going to be able to find it. It's kind of one of those you know, stretchy spandecky type dresses that when you stretch the material, it does turn a little bit white. And I mean, as long as you're not stretching the material, you're good. I'll see you in my next video.